Hello student, myself Pankaj Kumar and today I'll teach you computer. In last video, we had understood to analyze the fragmented data and optimize it. Today we'll start application software and we'll see one by one. Okay, so let's start. Application software. Application software is a set of programs that provide a platform for the user to carry out his task. So application softwares are developed to perform some specific tasks. These are specially designed to solve the problem of users. MS Word, Excel, Photoshop are the example of application software which can solve our problem. Okay, so application software runs at the background of system software, that is operating system. It means we need an operating system to work efficiently for any application software to work function. Without operating system we cannot install application software, which we have discussed earlier. Okay, the application software can be categorized in following two types. Now special purpose application software. This type of application software are designed especially to carry out only one type of task. Okay, with the help of special purpose application software we can do only one task. Understood? Hence it is task specific application software. For example, accounting system like Tally is the application software is used to perform account oriented task. Okay, we can use only for account oriented task. Understood? So this is special purpose application software. Now general purpose application software. An application software developed to serve different purposes of the user is said to be the general purpose application software. For example, a word processor. We know very well what is word processor. It can be used to print different type of document like letter. With the help of word processor we can print letter, notice, application, memo, etc. So here we are doing many work, okay, with the help of general purpose application software. That's why it is called general purpose application software. Okay, the examples of general purpose application software are given as word processor. This application software is used to print a letter, notice, memo or any application. It allows easy modification and editing in the type document. Okay, so a word processor helps us to create professional looking document quickly and efficiently. It provides many features to change the appearance of text in desired manner. You can easily add, delete, rearrange or beautify the text and can even produce a hard copy of the document as per requirement. Understood? So this is word processor. Now spreadsheet. It is an application package that is used to work with tabular data, values represented in rows and column. We can represent the values rows and column wise. Okay, it allows various calculation on tabular data like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. The data can easily be represented in terms of table, charts and graphs. So spreadsheet help us to perform calculation and display data in the form of chart to analyze in a better way. Okay, it is used for creating document to manage and organize numerical data. Understood? The example, Microsoft Excel. Database, an application software that allows user to organize data in a file. The file can be created with different data fields like name, class, role, address, etc. as per user requirement. See, each one of us uses database unknowingly in our daily routine. For example, managing telephone directories. Okay, so database software help us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized manner. We can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print and retrieve the information stored in a database. Okay. Media player, an application software that allows user to play audio or video files, is known as media player. So media player is also an application software that allows user to play audio or video. Okay, it allows user to play media files either created by him or downloaded from the internet. Okay. Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is an application software that links user computer with internet. Okay, with the help of this Internet Explorer we can search anything, whether it is related to education, related to song, or related to video. Okay, by using Internet Explorer you can browse any site on the internet. As soon as you enter web address, only we need to enter web address. Okay, in the address text box the home page of related website will be displayed and related web page can be accessed. Now customized software. Customized software is a specially designed software developed to serve the need of an organization or company. It is also called bespoke or tailor-made software. So the software which are designed to meet the specific need of any user or any organization, okay, are called specific purpose application software. Okay, like Tally, a reservation system, billing system, etc. These are specially designed for special purpose of the user. Okay, so this is customized software or a special purpose software. So today we have discussed application software, where we saw special purpose application software and general purpose application software. So student, what are the examples of application software? Word processor, spreadsheet, database management system, presentation software are some examples of application software. Now what is customized software? Customized software is specially designed software specific to the requirement of an organization or company. Understood? I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.